Swing Amsterdam. I'm Gordon.
I'm Jennifer.
Okay, so today we're going to do a very interesting trick. What we are going to have is a normal left side pass, a normal underarm turn. But instead of just going through the motions to having just only the 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, there's something special that we can add to it.
So from here, I can take a moment and really push through the 2 to own the pattern my way. Take a look. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6.
So the fun part about it is it doesn't affect me, but it actually inspires me to do something extra. Because what happens is normally the 1 is just to get her off her place, and then she can understand my partner understands what 2 is going to give her, left side pass, underarm turn. But now Jennifer actually takes over and she slides in the 2.
I take a larger step than I normally do.
Yeah. All I can feel is this small burst that makes me also go with my 2 away in a more dynamic fashion. Yeah? So for the followers again.
1, 2, 3 and 4.
Watch for the leaders.
And 6. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6.
So as you can see, my 1 to the side, change it to the 1, wait, and away. Yeah, so that makes it a little bit more fun, but just really thanks to the follower.
Also, one more thing for the followers, when we're doing this, actually if I'm showing you this side, once after we got the 1, 2, I bring this down too close to my ear so that it relaxes the tension immediately, and also try to look for the leader as well, just kind of give it that connection and assuredness that we're done with this. 3 and 4, 5 and 6. You'll end up in a different handhold, but you can easily fix that with a different pattern.
Yeah, so there was a left side pass. I still would like to see also something happening with the underarm turn. So what we're going to do is the following. We're still going to think about the 1, and it's our job just to give the follower a clear lead into an underarm turn. But now Jennifer can maybe also create something else.
The same explosion on the 2. 1, 2, 3 and 4.
One more time.
5 and 6. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6. So it's the same idea, an explosion of the 2 for the followers, and it causes the leader to react, and it also gives your dance a little bit more of a dynamicism because it's not just the same vanilla left side pass and underarm turn.
Make sure, followers, if you are taking part of our leads away, normally the 1, the 2, and then the 5 and 6 is more from the leader's perspective, and in between or after the 5 is something for the followers to fill in. If you are doing this, try to not to mess too much with the distance, because if I'm going to do a normal underarm turn, I am on the 2, she's still in front of me. But if you're going to take too big of a step because you want to put your slide in, it's okay, but this arm still needs to be here. Yeah? So now it's very easy for me to be like, oh, something happened, but my arm or the placement of the arm didn't change.
Yeah, so that's our video for this week. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and to subscribe to the channel so we can make more of this content for you. For now, we're going to wish you a good practice session, and we'll see you guys next time.
See you.
Bye.